AI won't replace developers, but developers who only know how to write code are in trouble. And I see this as someone who has spent more than 12 years building software, leading teams, and working on real production systems. The biggest shift in software engineering is happening right now. Most developers don't realize it yet. When I started my career, being a good developer meant learning more frameworks, more languages, and writing more code. Every year there was something new. Angular, React, Android, Swift, Objective-C, Node.js, Java, Spring Boot, Cloud, Kubernetes. And I thought the more technology I learned, the more valuable I would become. But AI completely changed the assumption. Today, I can open Cloud Code, Cursor, or ChatGPT and generate thousands of lines of codes in minutes. APIs, React components, type database schemas, documentation, tests, things that used to take days can now take hours. So naturally people ask, are developers finished? My answer is no. But average developers are about to face a very difficult reality. AI replaces repetition. AI replaces boilerplate. AI replaces copy-paste development. AI replaces developers who only know syntax. Because syntax is something becoming a commodity. Just like calculators didn't replace mathematicians, they replace manual calculation. AI is doing the same thing to the software development. The developers who will thrive are the ones who understand system, architecture, products, customers, business, communication, decision making. Because business don't pay for code, business pay for solutions. That's very important difference. If I started from zero in 2026, I would focus on AI tools, system designing, product thinking, cloud architecture, building real projects, understanding how business makes money, learning how to ship products, not just write code. We are entering an era of a new developer. One developer with AI can build what previously required an entire team. That's not bad news. That's the biggest opportunity software engineers have ever had. The question is, will you fight AI or will you learn to build with it? Because the future belongs to builders who can combine technology, AI, and business. And that's exactly what we will explore on this channel. Welcome to Code and Capital.